Hey guys, it's Katie Harp, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a bio link website in Canva, or basically a link tree alternative, so you can have a link in your Instagram bio that links to multiple links at the same time. And basically it's a page that when someone clicks on the link in your bio on Instagram, you only get one link, so you can create a page that has different links on it. And one of the options is Linktree, but that's usually a paid service, or you're limited to just using their templates. So another option is, this is actually something that Canva has. So on Canva, you're going to go to the search and search for bio link website. That's pretty much what Canva refers to it as. And then you're going to scroll through these, and actually this pink one is one that I designed, so I am going to use that one. But just to give you an idea of what the designs look like, this is what they have on Canva, and there's more designs and templates being added all the time. But the general idea is that you have this page, and it has either like a picture of you or your website's logo or something, and then it has some of the main links that you want people to visit, and then Canva will actually let you publish this as a web page, and then on Instagram you can link to this Canva page and it'll be beautifully designed, and also it's not just an image, it's an actual like web page that you can publish on Canva. So that's a pretty cool feature that not a lot of people know about. And these all look similar to some of the alternatives, like I think Linktree and Milkshake are some of the main ones. And some of those are monthly subscriptions. So if you're already paying for software like Canva, then it's nice to use what you already have. So I'm going to go back to this one, and this is actually a template I designed, so I'm going to use that for the tutorial. And in this case, you have the picture of you or potentially a logo at the top, and this is just a stock photo, but you can replace that with your picture and then replace this with your Instagram handle. You can change the fonts or the colors if you want, and then change the links. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this tutorial. So first I'm going to change the photo, and let's see. Okay, so I have a picture of me. So I'm just going to drag that in there. Otherwise, if you don't have one already in your uploads, you can upload a new photo. And then I'm going to change this to my Instagram handle. And these are more or less some of my fonts and colors. So that's why I did the template like that. But I will change them a little bit just for this tutorial. So I think I'll keep this one. Now this one, recommended links, you can change the text if you want. But let's say I want a different font for that. Maybe I want, let's see, how about a serif font like that, and maybe make that a little bit bigger. Okay, and if it's too big, then you can just drag the sides of it and then go back to position and recenter it. So that looks kind of cool. And then as far as the colors, this is light pink, but you can use whatever you want. Like I could change it to light yellow, or maybe I want more of a neutral color. And then this one, let's make that like a dark one. And also another feature is, you just saw this pop up at the bottom. Since this is just a few shades of pink, if you want this entire template to be in your own shades, I mean, you could individually edit all the colors of the elements if you want, or you can just click on this and then it would change all of those shades of pink to this brown. And if I like that, I can keep it. And then I have it like alternating, so I could do the same one, or I could alternate it, or could go in here. I can also go up to the color selector and just lighten it a little bit. Like maybe I want it like that, and then change it like that. So now I have like every other color is kind of alternating. And it's a little hard to read the black text on the brown background now, so I think I'm going to change those to white. So I'll just change all of those. And in this case, I don't want to change all of the black text to white because I want these headlines to still be black. So I'm only going to change the links. So I'll just click on those and then go up here and then change the color just like that. And one cool feature that Canva has that kind of helps you out with creating this like bio link website is that if you click on like the button, okay, so I have the text here. Now this can be a link, or the button can be a link, or you can do both. So I'm going to do the button, and I'm going to click on this link button and then visit my website. So I'm going to type in my actual website, and I'm going to copy that, and I'm just going to do that for like all of them. I'm not sure if their buttons will add things. We'll add the link for you. So I'm actually going to add the link to the button itself, like this rectangle in the background, and the text, just because I want to make sure people can click on it and it's not like someone tries to click on it and it's not clickable. So if you just did the text, then it might be a little hard for people to click on it on their phone, especially if you're tapping it with your finger. It might be a little small. So I'm going to make sure that this actual rectangle itself also has a link, and it's just with this little link button at the top, and then click apply. And for your website, you would probably want to do different links instead of just copying and pasting the same link over and over. Okay, so that's all the links. And if I'm happy with that design, then you just go up to publish as website, which is new. So on normal designs like Pinterest templates or Instagram templates, you wouldn't see that. It's specifically if you're starting with one of these bio link websites, and that's the keyword in Canva you want to look for is bio link website. I can see I only have one page on here. And so for the web style, there's presentation, and you can actually do like a PowerPoint style presentation in Canva, which is pretty cool. Or there's a scrolling website, or classic navigation, or standard. Okay, so I'm going to go with the standard web style, and then click open website. And it's here. And this is a pretty large looking image. And they're actually showing me a URL on my screen, and you can't see it here, but it's canva.com/design/ and then there's like the randomly generated code / another one, and it's like /view, and then a question mark, and then website. So it's giving you this like random ID in the URL, so you can actually send people to this website. And if you wanted, you can add that to your Instagram bio, or you might want to use a service like Bitly or a link shortener to shorten that link, because this is a really long Canva link. It's basically like canva.com/design/ and then like a really long code. So you'd probably want to put that into something like Bitly and shorten the link. But then from there, you can take your shorter link and put that on Instagram. And there's my website. So these links work, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about making a bio link website in Canva, and have a good day.